Congratulations on completing this course. I know there was a lot to cover in this, and we went from learning a bunch about JavaScript to seeing how easy jQuery is to use. If you were brand new to JavaScript development, coming from just HTML in a CSS environment, I know you probably just digested so much. So big congratulations. I want to give you some next step advice before wrapping up here, and that's going to be don't wait. It's time to move on to other frameworks or other JavaScript things. Now, I know there was a lot here to cover with all this different jQuery we were writing, but a lot of this is just JavaScript. And if you're able to keep up a little bit with this, that means you're definitely have the skill set to move forward to these bigger, more complicated frameworks like AngularJS, React, or Vue. And learning these will set you up in a better position for a job or a different job. And it would also make you a way better developer in general, especially a front-end developer. Now, with that being said, I want to talk about jQuery real quick and kind of like the direction it's going. There's this thing called ES6, which is kind of like the CSS3 for JavaScript. And it's kind of taken over where jQuery is eventually going to get phased out. Not anytime soon, but eventually ES6 has enough functionality where jQuery isn't as relevant. For example, if you want to query the DOM, you're able to do that with just pure ES6 pretty easily and other different helpers like that. And for that reason, jQuery even has a slim version they've recently released where it doesn't have as much overhead because they understand and know that that is probably the direction that things are going. So the advice is get a little bit better at jQuery, move on, and don't hesitate to learn Angular, React, or Vue. You definitely know enough to go into those. And then keep up with the ES6 crowd because that is going to be the next kind of thing taken over. And you can actually start using that today if you get set up on correctly.